Class 11-12 integral calculus, method of substitution, find the value, integration of sin x divided by sin x minus a dx, h is 84, solution sin x divided by sin x minus a dx, let x minus a equal to z, dx equal to dz. Now sin x equal to, so instead of x we can write a plus z, and instead of x minus a we write sin z, integration sin dz. We put the formula sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b dz by sin z. Here is, we divide into two parts, sin a cos z divided by sin z plus cos a sin z divided by sin z. First part, sin a, integration of d, sin x sin z plus cos a taken outside of it, sin, integral sin cos a, integration of sin z will be cancelled, so here will be 1 dz. Now sin a log e mod sin z plus 1 dz, integration of 1 dz z, so z cos a plus c. Now sin a log e mod sin, instead of z we write x minus a, here this portion z equal to z x minus a cos a plus c. Now sin a log e sin x minus a plus bracket will be, we have to break the bracket. Now here will be x cos a plus c minus a cos a, c minus a cos a. Ultimately sin a log e mod sin x minus a plus x cos a, and this portion we can write k. So k is a constant. Now solution is sin a log e mod sin x minus a plus x cos a plus k. This is the answer. Subscribe channel if you like it.